Gareth at Howell Engineering. So today just want to give an update on the latest version of the Syvecs E92 M3 kit. So this can be used on standalone or on the OEM car. There have been lots of issues in the past where downshifts have been troublesome. So we've implemented a new system now, which is a gear ratio difference rev limit strategy. So basically it sets out a rev limit for every downshift that you make, and then the blip target will blip up to that rev limit and match the gears for downshifts. So there are quite a few people who have been trying to get the standalone gearbox control systems to work, some of which are working, but they need an awful lot of input and obviously some modifications to the original gearbox wiring internally, which is quite troublesome for some people, and there is a reliability aspect which has to be thought of. So anyway, I'm just going to take you for a run now, and you can see the thing working. So it allows multiple downshifts, so I'll be able to show you that, where you can make 3 very quick pulls on the pedal, and it will set up different rev limits for the gear ratio differences, or a double shift, or just normal single shifts. But hopefully now you'll be able to see it as we drive it. Very smoothly. We'll go back into manual. Change the iDrive position by 1 on the drive logic button for the gear shifts. I've made it so it's 23% less aggressive on the blip. That can be changed in software by anybody, so if you don't want it to be quite as aggressive, that explains